have a strange idea to make an avocado out of wood. Sounds easy enough, but if it's to split open and the seed inside be a different wood, it gets a bit complicated. This is how I made it. For this project, I need a stencil with reference points that will align my blanks with the jigs I'm using. I'll draw the design in SketchUp and print it to scale. I'm marking the center of the avocado seed and points in each corner. These will be important later. I'll get back to the stencil after making the seed. Making a perfect sphere on the lathe is one of the hardest things I know. Using this simple technique, I'm able to get close to perfect. Close enough for this project, at least. Time to put the stencil to use, marking up the center and the corners on both blanks. I've prepared a backplate to attach the blanks to the lathe. After finding the center of the backplate, I can transfer the reference points from the stencil. Now it's a matter of drilling pilot holes and screwing this thing together. I have to admit, I've never tried this before. Securing these two rather dense pieces of wood together using only double-sided tape, and then spin it on the lathe at 1,000 revolutions per minute. Should be interesting. I don't want any outward pressure from the spindle or live center, so I'm attaching sacrificial pieces at each end to distribute the pressure. I don't want this thing to split open and break my face, so no roughing gouges or scrapers from now on. Everything looks good so far, but there is a problem that I have not yet figured out. How to get this thing open without damaging the wood. With a bit of brute force, I'm able to pry it open. Now, for the moment of truth. Is the hole for the avocado seed in the right place? Has the paint gotten past the tape and into the avocado? Not bad at all. A little sanding and all that is left is my favorite part. Applying the oil and watching the color and the grain come out. This has been a really fun project, and it's been a pleasure sharing it with you. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay with the channel for more to come.